Yo guys, welcome back to JJH_Explorers.
No, wrong.
Yo guys, welcome back to JJH Explorers. Today we are in this abandoned office. Well, actually we're not in it right now, but we're going to go in it in a minute.
Yeah. We're not sure if it is, but it looks a bit. There's fencing around it.
It looks very old, like the lights are old, gated round. Don't know, it looks a bit old, so. Yeah, and how many times do you have to say it, Johnny? We're scoping out the area at the moment. It says it's got CCTV there. But yeah. Oh, what? Where? Oh my god!
Someone's coming.
Oh, it's a woman.
She looks like she's worked so late.
Easy. Wow, that's quite cool. It's got cameras, but I just want to have a quick look. It's a deer. I saw a deer, I thought it was someone. There. Let's have a look. Down there. Just look out for cameras. Is that sensors? They're up there. Yeah. Look out for cameras, that's the only thing. This looks sick. Where? Go on. Yeah, where? On the wall, that's our sensor. That's a sensor, isn't it? Check the door. That's cute. This door. They're not cameras. What about these doors? Come around this way. Harry, come on. It'll be fun. Let's have a look. We need to go. Where do we go? Just go. The alarm went off. Oh my god! Guys, very much watching. It's not really, we didn't really actually get in, but it's kind of funny, so yeah, kind of shook us. First abandoned place we've actually been like alarmed, but we slid on there quite quick and it's quite funny. So yeah, it looked like they were doing work in there, but anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Got anything to say?
No, it's on to unclip my helmet. That's how fast we run.
Alright, see you in a bit, guys.